Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BRKK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red line, or excuse me, the green line up there is coming from, which leads to my first update here, and that is changing this into a red line because as a basic rule in chart states, when levels of support are broken and close below, they do tend to act as resistance. So to give some credit where credit's due, late day today, the price did put together itself a nice little bounce. So if this bounce has any sort of chance at getting continuation, then yeah, 0.015. The red line right here is going to be that near-term level of resistance that the price is going to have to fight through in order, like I said, to keep this current bounce progressing. Now, what about areas of support? As of right now, I think the top priority, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but just simply trying to consolidate it out and trying to stabilize the price, because that's been the problem the past couple of days, is just simply trying to get the price to not, make any sort of huge movements to the upside, but just go sideways and level out here. So the one level here that will be very interesting going forward, and this is by no means some sort of great discovery on my part, but is right here at 0.011. 0.011 finally represents where the downwards move stopped today, and not only where it stopped, but it actually got the nice little bounce from there. So that's going to be that near-term level of support that you definitely want to ideally see hold strong going forward as the week continues to progress. In the event the price does roll back over and goes to 0.011 and falls through there, the next key overall level of support would be down there at right around 0092. So again, as far as supports are concerned, initial level right here at 0.011. If that doesn't hold, then the next level of support at 0092. And then once more from the resistance side of things, you have 0.015. Also have that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. But given these levels are essentially right in the same ballpark, I'm just going to call it 0.015 for simplicity's sake. So again, like I said, late day today, you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls put together a nice little bounce. Let's see if they can build upon that momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.